I can see your.
Yeah. First of all, we can create a custom template we can create report templates. We have two type of reports we have classical report, interactive report, like that. Now we can create a classical report with the card type and table type. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I can show which type of card we can create. We can create this card. Did you see our board directors?
Hmm.
We can create this card. Okay.
Hmm.
Any type of template we can create. You can use ChatGPT and you can create template using JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. We can convert this to dynamic templates.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. I will show that. We have we in once we get the code. For example, we can use any AI to create template. Now is a vibe coding area, so we can use more. I think all are using AI agents to create templates. Okay.
Hmm.
Once we get the template, we can partition the code. For example, we have a template like this this board directors and made the this is a sentence. This is we can only execute in once, but the cards are like rows. There will be more than one values. Did you understand what I mean?
Hmm.
That means this is a header or anything. It's like only one time. It's only time one time, not in row. But this can execute query 10 members query. It will be create 10 this type of cards, but this our board of directors will be one. Okay, that means it will be executed only one. That means it's its code is say like before row, because this is before row, this is row, this is before row and after row. We have three sections: before row section, row template section, and after row section.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Now we can go to the okay. We can now create a new application director custom templates. Okay. So I can create a page with board of directors. Board of directors templates. Okay. Now we can generate a HTML static code. Okay. For
Hmm.
example, I have a code like this. I can copy and paste this.
Hmm.
I can get this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But the difference is this is a static HTML code. Then we can convert this to dynamic custom template. Okay.
Hmm.
We can say that I have a style, I have sections and the header, section title, section subtitle, and the lists. This division are called list. Okay. Now we can convert this, how to convert this a custom template, and dynamically it will be changed, and how to create, how to use data from our table. We can discuss that. Okay. First of all, when we get the code, we can go to the shared component. Shared component, template, create template. Okay. We can create a report template because we can select from classic report, then we can create the first report template from scratch. Did you understand what I mean? If you have any doubt, you can ask anytime. Okay.
At the moment, at what type we are working on? Is it static template or is it dynamic template?
Uh, I am just showing. This is a static template. Okay.
Okay.
Now we can convert this to dynamic template using custom template option in Oracle Apex.
Okay.
Okay. I can show how to create a custom template, and this is a static values. Now we can select from table. Okay. We can convert, then go to shared component template, then report. Okay. Going to first from scratch, not existing template. We can create the template name, director of board of directors, okay. You can choose this template class like borderless, horizontal border, one column, unordered list, like that. Now I can use custom one. Okay.
Hmm.
We have two type of templates. One is generic column template, use the same formatting, every column is a report. That means every column has the same reports. But now we want create the raw template because we want to create more than one cards, like that. Okay. We can create the raw template. Okay. Board of directors. Okay. This is a raw template.
Hmm.
The raw template will be execute like, it will be execute like rows. It will be, this code will be show more than one times based on our query.
Hello, sir. Are you there?
Values. We can give only one static row code only. Okay. Did you understand what I mean?
Can't understand, sir. There was, I think, interruption of internet. That's why your this was missing. What you said, sir? Please
Okay.
repeat again.
Okay. This is a we have so much code editors here.
Hmm.
Okay. This is a main row template one. This is a main, because the row columns code will be pasted here, because
Hmm.
that code will be show like rows. Because we can, for example, I can show that this is a full code. Okay. This is a
Hmm.
full static code I give here. Okay.
Hmm.
I give here, go to the page. I can, this is a initial stage report. Okay. I can go to the classic report.
Hmm.
Just give me the query, select one from dual. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Then we can go to select the templates board of directors.
Hmm.
Okay. Can show, you can see this. This is a, we can create the template. We can't fully create it. This is a example. For example, you know, it will be running 2 times. Okay,
Hmm.
but we want only run this this card code only run 2 times, because we can give this card code as raw template. Now we can put all code in raw template. We have 2 rows, it will be 2 times. Okay,
Hmm.
did you understand what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
But there is a question.
Okay.
Why did we went to the template when we then when we can do this in this static region source?
This is not this is not static region. Now we can convert this to classic report. Now we
Okay.
can step by step I can teach you how to use the values from data and table. Now I just give that the initial stage. We can first we can create the report. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Now you can understand this. Our board of directors meet the vision like this is a section subtitle, a section title. Like there will be, we can't run headings more than 1 times, because we can't give that one is static like that. So we can run this section before row. Did you understand?
No, sir. I didn't understand, sir. What you are saying? What?
Okay. Okay, when we, what do you mean by row? Row means it will be more than one. We have more than one, because in this area we have more than one cards. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
but the heading and subheadings we want only 1 time.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay, we can give full code in row template. It will be run more than 1 times, because rows are running more than one, because based on the query we have only one value, it will be run as 1 time. We
Hmm.
have 2 rows, it will be running 2. Do you understand what I
Okay.
mean?
Okay. Okay.
This
Okay.
is 2 times,
Hmm.
because we want only this only want 1 times.
Hmm.
So we can run this before row, not in row template. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
row template will be running more than 1 times based on the query. So this is, we can cut and paste in before row.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. And
So you mean that
this,
our template is basically divided into different sections. One is row template, other one is before row, and the last one is after row. You mean by
yeah,
this?
yeah, because we can start, we can, this is a before row, because before row will be execute only 1 times, row will be executed more than 1 times based on the
Okay.
query. We can, we want all the headings and subheadings are only running in 1 time, so we can use that before row. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, also like that, in before row we can also have after row. Okay,
Hmm.
that will be, because div section, we can start div here, section start here, div start here, this div start here. So we
Hmm.
can close this divs are, so we can put this divs are in after template. Okay, the main concept is we can put only row. Okay, this is the card template code. Okay,
Hmm.
this is the card template code. we can put only card or row template code in row template, because if you put full code in here, it will be run more than one times, and heading and subheadings are showing more than one times, it will be make interruption. We can only show cards or rows are more than one times. Did you
Hmm.
understand what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now you can understand. The headings are given one times, but cards are given four times.
Hmm.
One, three, eight cards are here, but we have only two rows.
Hmm.
Then show head card. So because in our row template, in our row template, we can put four cards code. Did you understand? This is one card. This is card two. This is card three. This is card four. We can put four cards,
Hmm.
but we want only put one card code, because it will be run executely run more than one times based on the query.
Hmm.
So we can remove another card's codes. Okay. Now you can check. We have two queries.
Hmm. So basically,
Then
you mean to say that by using the template, we can we can put a single div in it, and by using the query, it can we can make it twice, thrice, or even more time as
yeah,
like.
yeah. For example, you have a table or you have
Hmm.
a card.
Hmm.
In Oracle Apex, you have a card. It will be run more than one times based on the query. You have five rows. It will be you can show five cards.
Hmm. Hmm.
We have five data. We have five cards here. Like this, we have in this query we have two. Okay, we have two queries. We
Hmm.
have two cards. Okay. Now we can convert the dynamic value. Okay, how to convert? This is a static value. John. This is static value. But I don't want John. I want take from my data from my table or static SQL. Okay.
Hmm.
Now we can convert this static value into dynamic. How to convert? We can using substitution method. Okay. This code. This is the image URL. Okay.
Hmm.
Can use. We can image URL. Okay, this is image URL. We can put this value. This is a John Doe. This is what is the name? This is a name. Okay, name. Also in this area, name. This is founder and president. This is position. This is bio. Okay. Now you can see this like this.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now you can substitute the values in query. Select one minute. Select as what we give that image URL. Okay. Next, you can select from database on anywhere. I can use. I didn't have table. That way I can use the static SQL. Okay.
Hmm.
Do you understand what I mean?
Yes, I am understanding, sir.
Yeah. This is a This is bio. Right.
You have to remove the union all.
Um, we can give the same exact name what we see this. We can give the exact name here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This is a one employee. In our table, sometimes we have 10 employees list or 1,000 list. No worry. We
Hmm.
can take from table. Now I have dot table, so I can give this another row. My, so,
So if I have a table that has exactly these types of columns, then you think
yes.
that much of the rows or card will be generated as much my I have data. If I have 10, I have 10 records in a table, so I have to
Yeah.
write one query, one time query, and then have to use the substitution as it is mentioned in the query. So it will repeat the number of cards as per the query.
Yeah, as per the query, the card will be repeated. That's
Okay,
why
okay.
it's called a custom template. Okay.
Hmm, hmm.
For example, we have 100 rows. It will be show 100 times. No,
Hmm,
no problem. Okay.
hmm.
I think you understand this.
Yes, I understood.
Yeah. Shall we create it once anything? You can create it, any template. Can I share my any code for that? You can participate. We can now share and
Yes, I can share.
okay. One second.
I have seen many people building total a web page in this character effect. So they use
Yeah,
template.
yeah. Most of the people using the default method and using CSS and HTML. Can I share my products? I can create so many custom templates. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I'm seeing your screen, sir.
Yeah. This is my website.
Okay.
This are custom templates. These are custom template. It will be take from Korea. These are custom templates, and I can show that once. This is a custom template. It will
Hmm.
be taken from table. I have 8 blog post reports. It will be taken from table. I want to show this. This did you understand? This is taken from table.
Okay.
Okay, and I have plugins. This is taken from table
Hmm.
and projects. This is a custom template. It
Hmm.
will be also taken from table. It's not this all are custom template, not that static value. And I can give some one my client's website. I can show that. Yeah, I can show you. This also are the this is custom template. This
Hmm.
is custom template. This is also custom template. We can use default method in Apex. It will be like not UI perfect. They will give the basic UI. But when we create the template and custom template, it will be make like this. I think it will be more interactive and UI friendly.
Hmm.
Yeah. And also
What is the
one.
advantage of using a template when we can write in a static region?
Yeah, first I can use ChatGPT to create a custom data. I can create the prompt and some static values, and they will give the CSS, JavaScript, and HTML code.